Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Buick Enclave, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated seats, leather seats, a navigation system, a power rear liftgate, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This Buick has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.